Vicky's in a box. And here's Timmy.
Spit his binky out.
What is it?
Wow.
What is that?
Get on it.
Wow, what is that?
What is that, Timmy?
Get on it.
He will.
Get on it.
Hmm.
Let him do a card play like that.
What you got there?
Press that button.
Show him where to put his feet. Put your feet up on the pedals. Corey, turn it.
Timmy.
There you go. Press the button.
He will. Let him do it now. Yeah. Working back.
You did better than that at the store.
Go. Press the button. Find out.
Watch. You need to go watch. Cool.
Yes.
A little Christmas music.
So look at all the pictures.
Everyone play my Christmas song for you.
Now you have a lot.
You're welcome.
Here, Timmy, open this. Here, Timmy, open it. Here, open it. Are they boots? I think they are. I think they're those cute little boots. Cowboy.
Rob.
What we got in
We got Timmy.
here?
Uh-oh. Look at that. What are those?
Wait,
Arr.
should I take the cardboard out of them?
Yeah, sure.
I'll take the cardboard out first.
Put them on your feet.
Put them on your feet. And how do I get them on?
Well, he doesn't have socks on. He's got
Dad,
his
I think I need some help.
booties and his PJs on.
Dad, I need some help.
You're on your own, bud.
Okay,
Go help him. You don't have mom on.
Look at that. All that behind you.
What's the matter?
That one won't go on.
I don't think your boots are on.
Get it on?
I think that's enough.
You got your cowboy boots on? Yeah.
This is not working. Huh?
I don't know.
Yes, right here. Hey, let the truck go. Let the truck go.
What you got?
Come and sit by me.
Christmas 1995 at Mom's.
All the kids here? Are we all
You
here?
can't have these. Go get a cookie. Come here. Go get a cookie.
Scott, go over there and get
Go
your
in
chair
there
by
and
the
get a
TV. Go get your chair by the TV. What's that mean?
Here, I get your cookie.
Hi.
Come here.
No, we're not.
We do like Falmouth did it, me and her last night, wait for Billy. And Billy never did show up.
Oh, he'll show, but when, I don't know.
Cookie?
Oh, I guess he will. Maybe not, maybe not.
Let me open it. We can do it. Later, after we open it.
You can do it in the basement.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, batteries. We need batteries.
Your mom didn't buy batteries?
Goldie, did you bring a...
Yeah, it's right there on that chair.
What'd you do, touch yourself?
When you buy a gift, you buy.
Where's that? Hey, what's this down here now?
Where's the camera?
The bottom of the bag came out.
What'd you get, Jason? Where's the from? To Timmy. Where's Timmy? Go give that to Go give it to Daddy. Taylor, this is your stuff.
Where's your stuff at?
You know what it says?
Yeah, it's price to order.
You should put those in
You do your.
You done?
You put that over your card, then you punch it.
Look like that.
Timmy's got his outfit. Timmy, you got it?
This is our big snow of 96. There's snowdrift on the side of the house, and I'm falling into snow.
Got about 14 inches overall. But,
Oh, we got more than that.
no, it's, I'd say overall, but in some places
Yeah.
in the drifts it's like 2 feet.
There's our house. There's Rob. Kids are in the house.